Hi, my name's Melanie Hussell, and the word of the week is hierarchy, a nightmare for most of my clients. How many syllables in this word? Hi, ra, key. 4 syllables. Now let's have a look at the sounds in those syllables. First syllable, h, I, long vowel. Second syllable, weak, unstressed vowel. Third syllable, r, ra. Final syllable, k, e, long vowel. Let's put them together. Hierarchy. Where is the stress? Hierarchy. Yes, it's at the beginning. Let's put this together in a sample sentence. Fortunately, the hierarchy in our organisation is relaxed and flexible. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And if you would like further help with your pronunciation or communication skills, do visit my site, Speak Up. Have a nice day.